Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with my unboxing and first impressions video of the Umidigi Power. Now this is a phone that I've been very excited to take a look at, so let's dive on in. Follow me on Instagram at KevinBreezeTV. Please join the Kevin Breeze Tech community on Facebook to chat about budget smartphones, ask questions, and help others. Now, I'd like to thank Umidigi for being kind enough to send this out to me to review. I'm a big fan of their products, and I know you guys are as well. So I really do have high expectations for the Power, and for the price tag and looking at the specs, it already looks like it's going to be a great value. So you can see here, we have the box. Now this is kind of your typical Umidigi box. A lot of their phones come in boxes that look like this. This is the gold model. Now we'll open this up. Here are some basic specifications. Now I'm going to be going over these throughout the video, so no need to go over them right now. I just opened up the tape, so we're going to now pull the lid up. The first item in the box is a thank you note. I appreciate that. We have the actual Umidigi Power itself, and it is in a case. We'll put the phone off to the side for now. We have another packet here that says link to the world. Inside of this packet, we have some literature and we have the SIM card removal tool. We have a red USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. And then we have the wall adapter. Now this is the European wall adapter, and the reason for that is because I had to get this phone through AliExpress because it was sent to me from Umidigi. And that's how they do it when they send out phones as review units. But I highly recommend that you order this through Amazon, and if you do that, then you're going to be getting an American wall adapter. So here is the phone, and it's in this plastic case. So I'm going to take the case off right now. It definitely is kind of a cheaper case, but I'm still glad to see that there is a case included at the very least. Peel off the plastic on the back. I'm going to peel off the plastic on the front as well. It looks like we have a little screen protector that I'm also going to be removing. You can definitely keep that on if you want to, though. Now I'm going to boot this up. And here we go, Umidigi Link to the World, powered by Android. So I'm a big fan of this color. This is gold. You can also get this phone in black if you wish, but I think it looks really good. Now I'm going to get this set up, and then I'll cut over to the home screen. I now have everything set up, and here we are on the home screen. So the Umidigi Power is currently available for $139.99, and it is GSM unlocked. So in the US, this is going to work really well with AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, and Cricket, as well as some other carriers like Straight Talk. The device features a 6.3-inch display coming in at 1080p. It actually has a 409 ppi and features a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Up top here we have a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Then on the back we have dual cameras. We have a 16 and 5 megapixel camera setup. The device features 64 gigabytes of internal storage with the ability to expand that with a microSD card. There is no wireless charging with this phone, but we do have a fingerprint sensor on the back. The fingerprint sensor works really well. It's nice and quick, so that's great to see. Now with this dual camera setup, we are going to be getting bokeh mode, and I'm really excited to try that out and show that to you in the full review video. Now this device features 4 gigabytes of RAM and runs the MediaTek Helio P35 processor. I personally have never used the Helio P35, but I've heard good things about it, so I'm really excited to give that a try on this phone. Now the Umidigi Power has a massive internal battery, hence its name. It has a 5,150 milliamp hour internal battery, so I'm guessing that we're going to get really good battery life with this phone. The device runs Android 9 Pie as the operating system, which is great to see as well because that is the latest version of Android. And from the looks of it, it looks like this phone does have stock Android, which is another bonus. Now overall, I'm a big fan of the design of this device. I like how it has a teardrop notch on the top that really doesn't take up much space at all. We also have pretty small bezels going around the device, kind of a little bit of a thicker bezel on the bottom, but still not as thick as what I've seen with other phones out there, especially in this budget price range. Again, this gold color looks really great. We have the Umidigi logo, we have the fingerprint sensor, we have the dual cameras and the flash. On the right side, we have the power button and volume rocker. And on the left side, we just have the slot for the microSD card and SIM card. On the top, we have the noise canceling microphone. And on the bottom, we have the speaker, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and we have the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. So overall, I'm super excited to use the Umidigi Power and show you guys everything about it. I'm also going to be comparing this device to many of the latest budget smartphones out there so that you can see how it holds up. But overall, I think this is a really outstanding phone from Umidigi. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to buy the Umidigi Power right now, then take a look at the link in the video description, as it'll take you over to Amazon, where I recommend buying it. But thanks for watching. This is Kevin here, and I'll see you in the next video.